What's this? It's another box from Shop Disney. You know what that means. It's another episode of Come on, Shop Disney. Really? I know it's in this box because I was checking the tracking number. Let's open this up so you can see what's in the box. And we've got the tissue paper for the collection and packing slip and a whole lot of this little air bubble stuff. So we got a Funko and a pin in this gigantic box. Look at that. Why is that in that gigantic box? It was a lot more padded than I was expecting it to be. I was expecting this Funko just to be sliding around in here and maybe have like this much bubble wrap just thrown in there like that. But I'm surprised that there was actually enough in there to keep the Funko from sliding around. So without further ado, let's see what this actually is. This is the Jungle Cruise Funko Pop. I got it on opening day, and I also got this Star Wars pin right here. Honestly, I got the pin because if I got $50 worth of merchandise, then I got, I think it was 10% off. So I went ahead and just got the pin because if I didn't, it basically came out to the same price, give or take a few dollars. Now, the condition of my items, it looks like this is in pretty good condition. I don't see any dents or dings or scratches or anything on it. There's no holes. Now the pin actually came in a cellophane bag, so that protected it. So there's no scratches on the pin and there's no dings on the cardboard. So thank you very much, Shop Disney, for that, and thank you for not damaging this. Even though your shipping wasn't grand, it was adequate-ish. Have you guys gotten anything recently from Shop Disney? Was it packaged correctly? Were your items damaged? Were they in great shape? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, remember, no capes.